Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuel volume regulator, fuses and relays that control it on GMC Terrain. Guys, we're talking about that GMC Terrain from year 2010 to 2017. Guys, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the fuel volume regulator guys, now let's explain where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead guys and open the hood facing the engine on the right side. You see this is on the driver's side. Next to the brake fluid reservoir you have a fuse box. Here you have a clip here and a clip there. Leave them. Release that cover, you can kind of like squish the clips together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here guys what we need to check, let's explain now. Multiple fuses, those are for engine management or fuel injection system. There is limited information exactly which one it is, but you need to check all of them. One of them will be for that specific purpose. And we're talking now about fuse number 20 right here. Fuse number 21 over there will need to be checked. So 20, 21, then we go to fuse number 37 and 38, these two very important fuses right here guys. Next we need to locate fuse number 42 right here. After that we need to locate fuse 46, which is this one right there. Next we go to fuse number 52, 20M fuse here. 53 will be the one under that relay. We're talking about the 10M fuse right there. Check that one too guys, 53. And we need to check relay 66. Those are the main fuses, relays that we will usually check on that GMC Terrain. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.